Hi guys, my name is Daniel. I'm Products Evangelist at Zend. What I'll be showing you in this video is how to get up and running with the latest version of XenServer, XenServer 8.5 on Microsoft's Azure. There's been quite a lot of enthusiasm over the features included in this version of XenServer, specifically the plugin system and the ecosystem built around it. So now you can get these features together with the advanced PHP stack that comes with XenServer, Z-Ray, application and server monitoring capabilities, and more on Azure. So let's get this show on the road. So what you're looking at is the Azure Portal, which I've already logged into using my account. What I'm going to do is click this new button at the top left corner, and then I'm going to select Compute and Marketplace at the top. Now I'm going to enter Zend in the search box, and we get a list of the XenServer virtual machine images available. I can select between the XenServer PHP 5.6 Developer, Professional and Enterprise editions. I'm going to go for the Developer edition. A new blade opens up showing us all the details on the virtual machine we selected, so we can review these details, and then once we're done, click Create. In the Create VM blade, we're going to configure the new XenServer virtual machine. First, we're going to enter a host name for the virtual machine, and then we're going to enter a username to log in via SSH. I can select the authentication method for accessing the virtual machine using SSH, either with a password or using key-based authentication. I'm going to opt for password authentication, and below, enter a password. Next, we're going to select a pricing tier. We get a monthly estimate for each different pricing. I'm going to select a tier and then click Select. I'm going to leave the resource group as is. We can see our subscription is already listed here. And last but not least, we're going to select a location hosting our virtual machine. Once we're done, we can click Create at the bottom of the blade. We can now get one last look at our purchase details, and when we feel ready, click the Buy button. The virtual machine is created. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can take a bit longer in case of a high load on Azure. Once created, we get a success notification on the left, and the virtual machine's blade opens up. What we have to do now to access XenServer is copy the virtual machine's IP address, put it in our browser together with the port the XenServer UI uses, 10,081. And what we now get is the XenServer launching wizard. To launch XenServer, all we have to do is accept the license agreement, enter a password for accessing the XenServer UI, XenServer will then install the built-in libraries, and all we have to do now is click Launch. And there you go. In just a few minutes you can get up and running with your XenServer PHP environment on Microsoft's Azure.